Hello dear student, in class 6 exercise 3.3 we are in the question number 1. Using divisibility test determine which of the following number are divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10 and 11. You have to just write yes or no whether it is divisible by not. So here in this question you carefully observe many questions have been given and you have to check it by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11. If I solve each and every one, the video will be very longer. So I just suggest you just go through my previous tutorial, and if you watch carefully you can easily solve that. And this question number 1 is purely homework, or you can say exercise for you. Now I am moving for the question number 2. So in the question number 2, it is just same like the above question. Using divisibility test determine which of the following number are divisible by 4 and 8. So in this question I will pick up total 10 questions are there, so I will solve 5 questions because the procedure of solving all the question is exactly same. Okay, only the calculation is different. So I will solve 5 questions up to E, and rest of that you have to solve. So for that you have to see the procedure. So now I am moving for the second question and I will solve around 5 questions. So here the first number is 572. So here we have to check whether it is divisible by 4 and 8. So last two number you have to pick up if you are checking by 4. So 72 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. 32 is there. 4 8s are 32. So remainder is here 0. Okay. So means it is divisible by 4. Next number, if you are checking by 8, you have to check 3 number, last 3. Here already 3 digits are there. 7 8s are 8 7s are 56, and remainder will be 12. 8 into 1 is 8. Remainder will be 4. So it is not divisible by which number? 8. Now for the B, you have to check last two number, it is 52. You have to divide by 4. 4 ones are 4, remainder will be 12. 4 3s are 12, remainder will be 0. So it is, I am writing in short, it is divisible by which number? 4. Now you pick up last 3 number, 352, check it by 8. So 8 into 4 is 32. Remainder will be 32. Again it is 32. So it is divisible by which number? 8. Now in the C part, last two zeros are there, so you can directly write divisible by which number? 4. Now last 3 number is 500 divided by 8. Okay, so 8 into 6 is 48. Remainder will be 20. 8 2s are 16. Remainder will be 4. So remainder is getting means it is not divisible by 8. Now for the D question, last 3 zeros are there. For 4 we need last 2 digit. For 8 we need last 3 digit. So as zeros are there, you can directly write without wasting time, divisible by 4 and 8. Question number E, you have to check again last two number, 59. 4 ones are 4, remainder will be 19. 4 4s are 16, remainder will be 3. So it is not divisible. Last 3 number now, divide by 8. 8 2s are 16. So here 8 ones are 8. Okay. Then remainder will be here 7. Upside take it 9. Okay. 8 9s are 72. Then here you have to check the remainder, it is 7. So it means not divisible. Okay, it is also not divisible. So here I solved total 5 question, total 5 part up to E I solve, and I hope you can easily solve the rest of the part in this question. After that I will move to the next question. Now our next question is question number 3. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following number are divisible by 6. So here also I am picking only a few example. I am going to show you the answer of A to E, and rest of the question you have to solve because the same kind of procedure is there. So here you have to check divisibility test of 6, means you have to find out whether the numbers are divisible by 6 or not. So in the divisibility test of 6, okay, you have to first check whether it is divisible by 2 and 3. How you will check whether it is divisible by 2? In the last digit, if the even numbers are there or 0 is there, then it is divisible by 2. How you will check it by 3? You have to do the addition of all the digit and then you have to divide by 3. If it is divisible, then it is divisible by 3. So let's get started. So first we will check whether it is divisible by 2. So you can write here last digit is 4, so it is even number, so you can write it is divisible by 2. Okay, and about 3, so how you will calculate whether it is divisible by 3? So here we solve one part, then in the second part for checking divisibility test of 3, you have to do their addition. 2 plus 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 4 plus 4. Then finally, what is the answer? 4 plus 4 is 8 plus 1 9. Here 16. 16 plus 9 25. 25 plus 2 is 27. So here 27 is divisible by 3. So you can write it is divisible by 3. Okay, so therefore it is divisible by 6 also. Next one is, here it is even number, so it is divisible by 2. And in the next part you have to do addition. It is 13, 15, 16. So it is not divisible by 3, since it is not divisible by 6 also. Third one, last one is odd number, so it is not divisible by 2, so it is not divisible by 6, no need to check by 3. Then here it is odd number, so directly you can write it is not divisible by 6. Here it is even number, so it is divisible by 2. And what about 3? Do the addition. 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 3 10, here 11, it is 20. So it is not divisible by 3. So it is not divisible by 6 also. So I hope friend you understood this. After that we will move to the next question. So our next question is question number 4. Using divisibility test, determine which of the following number are divisible by 11. So let's get started. So in the question number 4, we have the we have the 4 numbers 5445. So for checking the divisibility test of 11, whether it is divisible by 11 or not, so we have to check first odd places and even places, and then you do the difference between these two. So odd places sum is equals to, odd place means right hand side you start 5, then 4, then after that there is no number, so it is 9. Then here even places from right hand side, this is the second place, means you write 4 and then here 5, so it is 9. So their difference is 9 minus 9 is 0. So you can say here it is divisible by 11. And here I tell you, whenever you check it by 11, first you do the addition of odd places, then even place, then difference. If it is coming 0 or 11 or 22, 33 like that, means it is divisible by 11, then it means that it is divisible by 11. Now for the B part, first odd places, then even places, then difference. So odd places sum you have to do 4 plus 8 plus 1, so 8 4 12 and 1 13, and then even place 2 plus 0, so it is 2. So their difference is 13 minus 2, it is what, 11. 11 is coming in the multiplication table of 11, so it is divisible by 11. Now for the C part, here I am now writing in short odd, even and difference. So in odd places you do addition 5 plus 9 plus 3 plus 7, and even places 6 plus 8 plus 1. Do the calculation. 7 plus 3 is 10, 19, here 24, here it is 8 plus 1 9, here 15. Their difference is 24 minus 15, so it is 9. It means it is not divisible, because in the multiplication table 9 is not coming. Then in the D part, odd place, even place and difference. So in the odd places 8 plus 3 plus 6 plus 0, and in the even places 0 plus 9 plus 1 plus 7. Do the calculation. 6 plus 3 9, here it is 17. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 9 17. So their difference is 0. It means it is divisible by 11. After that, moving to the next question. So here question number E. So here again odd places, even and difference. So in odd numbers are 1 plus, here 0 is there, here also 0 and this 0. So here it is 1. Even places, this 0 is there, then again one more 0 and 1. So here 0 plus 0, this 0 and then finally 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. So it is divisible by 11. Next one, F. Last question, last part of this question. Odd, even, difference. Odd 3 plus 1 plus 0 equals to 4. Even places 5 plus 1 plus 9. 9 plus 1 10, it is 10 plus 5 15. So their difference is 15 minus 4 11 means it is divisible by which number? 11. So in this way this question was quite easy and you can easily solve. So I hope friend you understood this question, and if you have any doubt just comment me. Thank you.